Find or read reviews that people are talking about Giosuan 2025 upgrade 4-volt cordless cutting tool, cardboard cutter with 2 titanium blades. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Superior cutting performance. Giosuan electric scissors combine the strength of an electric box cutter and a cardboard cutter. Equipped with a titanium-coated SKS7 blade that is 3x more wear-resistant than standard steel, it remains razor-sharp for 100,000 plus cuts. Paired with a high-speed 300 rpm motor, cutting power is boosted by 20% for smooth, efficient results on every project. Convenience with rechargeable battery. This cardboard cutter is powered by a 2000 mAh rechargeable battery that delivers up to 60 minutes of runtime, 30% longer than average models. Fully recharges in just 1.5 hours using the included USB-C cable. The recessed charging port ensures a secure fit, while the LED indicator clearly shows battery status for safe and reliable operation. Dual safety protection. Designed with your safety in mind, this electric scissors only operates when both the safety lock and trigger are pressed together. The durable metal blade guard shields the edge when not in use, helping prevent accidental contact. Whether cutting cardboard, fabric, or plastic, this rotary cutter provides controlled and secure operation. Lightweight and ergonomic design. Weighing only 0.83 pounds, the Giosuan electric box cutter is lighter than most water bottles. Its ergonomic curved handle and soft rubber grip provide comfort and stability, helping reduce hand strain even during extended use. Perfect for users with small hands, arthritis, or those needing a lightweight rotary cutter for long cutting sessions. Multi-material cutting. This electric cardboard cutter set includes cordless scissors, spare blade, charging cable, storage pouch, and user manual. With a cutting depth of up to 0.25 inches or 6 mm, it handles cardboard, leather, fabric, plastic, and carpet with precision, making it a versatile upgrade from a traditional box cutter. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.